Morning, folks. Brian and Nathan here with Louisiana Hook and Shoot. It is about 3:15 in the morning on July the 2nd. It's Friday, and Nathan and I are heading to, and I'm going to tell you what, I am excited. We're headed to Venice, the redfish capital of the world. And we're going to go try to catch some reds today. And hopefully maybe some flounder, some sheep's head. We got the Vikings loaded up. We got the pickup loaded up. We fixing to grab some ice, and we're gonna go to Venice Marina, grab some live shrimp, maybe some fresh shrimp. We've got some lures, and we're going after them today. So hey, I think it's time to go fishing, and I am excited as I've ever been at 3:15 in the morning to go fishing. So for Nathan and Brian, Louisiana Hook and Shoot, we're all Louisiana all the time. Let's go fishing. Get him in there, Nate. Yeah! All right, folks, we ready. We got the hook and shoot mobile, got the 2 reloads, and we got Venice.
Fish right here.
And we got fish right here at the dock, or where we're launching at. I wouldn't call it a dock, but Nate, what we're gonna do today, buddy?
Catch fish.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. First cast, Venice, Louisiana, right here.
Alright, Dad's fishing. Of course, I'm always re-rigging. I'm gonna do a short because I don't know this area. It looks like it's deep, but then it's not. So I'm gonna do a kind of like a short popping cork. I do have a longer popping cork. It's on my other pole behind me.
See what we got going on right here, folks. He's on it. Got it, whatever it is. Ah, he got off. What? I don't know. He was on it though. It was a good one too. Got him. I don't know, but I got it. Oh, I think it's a red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what we come here for. Hey, hey! Yes indeed, the first Venice redfish. Got the blue tail on it, baby. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Nate, look at that. What I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. 1 and 4 more to go, baby. Let's. No. 19 3/4, baby. Boy, folks, I want you to look. at the blue tail. This is one beautiful fish right here. Look at that. Alright folks, we got one in the boat. We got one. Whew. Hey, he hit it and started running with it. He didn't go under with it. You hear me? There he goes. You got him. Ah.
Alright folks, Dad's got one in the boat. I hooked up one, but he spit it as soon as I tried to start to get him, so we're gonna see what happens. They're feeding, they're definitely feeding, so we're just making our way down.
We got it. Frailing gar. Huh? A gar. I got him too. Hey, let's go try that structure out there while it's calm. What you say?
Alright peeps, we are over here by a structure now. We was back under, but we're gonna see what happens here. Hopefully we start. Daddy just got a bite. He said he wasn't ready for it and it went under, so that's always a good sign. And let's see if I can't get it. Yeah.
All right, get it. Oh, that's going like a red.
Think so. Yeah, old slime bucket gaff top.
This portion of Louisiana Hook and Shoot is brought to you by American Hunter, your locally owned, Louisiana proud, full-service gun and archery shop. If guns, knives, and archery equipment are your obsession, then this is the pro shop for you. American Hunter, Ronald Reagan Highway, Covington, Louisiana.
Where you at?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Can't see. Alright folks, he's too small. I had to get him back in the water. But I caught him off the bank on the other side.
That's what I'm talking about.
So I'm gonna go hit that hole again.
Go hit it. That's a floppy. How deep are you?
Not real. About 1.5 feet maybe. Alright folks, let's see if I can do that again.
Second one of the day, folks. Oh, nay, we couldn't get it on video. We need to come fish right here. You was on the bottom?
Yeah. I threw it out there and I was reeling it slow, and then I dropped it right there, and I was like, alright, I'll see what happens. And I was holding it between my feet like that, messing with my hat, and I picked it up and there was something on it.
That's what I'm talking about.
There he was.
All right.
You gonna measure?
Yeah, we're gonna get him over here though. I had to get my line in because something was farting around with it.
Oh, he's gonna make it.
Oh well, yeah, I know he's gonna make it. I just don't know.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, folks.
All right, folks. Look at that.
Woo, there he is.
Lower down a little bit, Nate. That's what I'm talking about. That's fine fish right there. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's get a measure on it, Nate. Let's see.
21.
21.
Look at that blue tail.
Indeed. Yep. Look at that. Yes, indeed, folks. Have the glass down. Have the glass down.
Boom!
Hey. Get that other reel that there out of the way. Oh yeah. Get him in there, Nate. Yeah! Yes, yes, yes.
Might have to change the name.
You ain't lying. Bank fishers today, boys. Yes, indeed. Whoo, baby. He ate it too. You got your pliers. Yep. Oh yeah.
See, folks.
Let's see, folks.
18.
No, he's to the tip of the tail. Go down some. Down, down. He's 19 and a half. 19 and a half. All right.
Alright, now you gotta get the hook.
You got your pliers.
What I'm talking about.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
I feel a comeback.
We've been getting thumped today. Here, hold.
Joe. Keep your eyes on that highway.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Sure like one of us catch
Catch one, huh? What I'm talking about, nay. Yes, indeed. Hey, put that battle in the back of the truck before we step on it. All right, folks, he's going in the chill pod. Mama Red's gonna be happy. Nader Tater got one, I got two. Yes, indeed. Get in there, boy, with your brother. Come down here to Venice. Redfish capital of the world. Yep. All right, folks, that's a wrap. We're leaving Venice. We weren't skunked. Didn't have as much success as we wanted, but for our first time in Venice, doing what we're doing, I think we did a good job. We caught a couple of blue cats and 3 good slot-sized reds. So, hey, I think that's as good to be as expected as But I do want to say thanks to Eric with the Louisiana Kayak Company. He gave us some pointers on where to launch, and also our good buddy Mike Broke, who gave us some pointers and some structure and things to look out for. And hey, it paid off. So thanks a lot, guys. We appreciate it. And Brian, Nathan, Louisiana Hook and Shoot, all Louisiana, all the time. Hey, we went fishing in Venice.
Boy, lower it down a little bit, Nate. That's what I'm talking about. That's fine fish right there. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Hey!